gentlemen, please welcome to the stage President and CEO, Head of IT and Mobile Communications Division, DJ Ko.
Thank you. Welcome to Barclays Center. I'm so happy. So much has changed since I took the stage 2.5 years ago. This is a vision only Samsung can deliver, because only Samsung offers products and services that touch everything people do across every part of their lives. We have a great show for you today. New products and services that illustrate the promise of connected living. A new partnership that demonstrates the potential of intelligence that stretches across platforms and brands. Plus, some great surprises along the way. And, of course, a new smartphone. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to present the all-new Galaxy Note 9. Thank you. Now, to tell you more about the world's most advanced smartphone, please welcome Drew Blackard.
Thanks, DJ. That's why we made the screen 6.4 inches, the largest ever on a Note. In fact, YouTube recently named the Note 9 a signature device because it delivers a best-in-class YouTube experience. Look, on the back of the device, we centered the fingerprint scanner below the camera so that it's easier to reach. When it comes to color, this year we went big and bold. You can choose from 4 cool new colors. Ocean blue with a yellow S Pen, which is my favorite, lavender purple, metallic copper, and midnight black. Each designed to reflect the forward-looking style that Note users are looking for. That's why we created an all-day battery, the largest ever on a Note. And that's just to start with. You can also get a 512 gig version. That's the one that I want. Just like its predecessors, Note 9 also comes with expandable storage. And get this, soon, with Samsung's upcoming 512 gig micro SD card, you'll be able to get as much as 1 terabyte of memory. 1 terabyte. That's more than most laptops. So we gave Note 9 a cutting-edge 10-nanometer processor. And it also supports super fast network speeds, up to a staggering 1.2 gigabits per second. Tim Sweeney.
Well, about that, we're going to be launching the Fortnite beta on Android this week, and players with Samsung Galaxy devices are the first to be invited, starting right now.
Detail. So Note 9 comes with AKG-tuned stereo speakers, the loudest ever on a Note. Well, Note 9 comes with our industry-leading water carbon cooling system and a smart performance adjuster algorithm. Really, if you're out at night, the aperture widens to let in more light. And if it's a bright, sunny day, the aperture contracts to let in less light. So you can get a great shot anytime, anywhere. And thanks to its super speed, dual pixel image sensor, Note 9 comes with super slow-mo. And now we're building on that foundation with Note 9's brand new intelligent camera. All right, looking good. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Well, you might have noticed that I took those photos without even touching the phone. I used this. John Wong.
What's up, New York City? The new S Pen has some pretty cool new functions. That's because now it supports Bluetooth Low Energy to turn it into the ultimate remote control. Yeah. With some help from our partners, we've beefed up the S Pen. Now, you can use it to play and pause YouTube videos in hands, to capture snaps in Snapchat, and take your selfie game to the next level. Or flip through some slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. A full charge takes less than a minute and lasts a whole half hour. Even better, you don't have to charge it to use all the other S Pen features you already know and love. Which brings me to my favorite thing, Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX is a PC-like experience powered entirely by your Galaxy smartphone. It's as simple as that. I just plug in my Note 9, and I'm in DeX. Pretty cool. Mr. Doodle is using what we call the dual canvas experience on DeX. Our all-new Samsung smartwatch.
You can choose between 2 different sizes, any number of straps, and over 60,000 watch faces from the Galaxy App Store. The Galaxy Watch has a high-res AMOLED display with an integrated touch function. And it's water-resistant, which means it's swim-ready. We're working with carriers around the world so you can stay connected no matter where you go. You can use the Galaxy Watch for several days on a single charge. The Galaxy Watch can monitor your heart rate and establish a personal baseline. And when it senses a big change, like presenting at Unpacked, it can offer you a breathing guide to calm you down. And to tell you more, please welcome Jisoo Yi.
Two people have a conversation, we build upon each other. So now can Bixby also can have a conversation with you too. I need a ride to JFK.
Fare for this ride will be $49.11. Ready to request ride?
You can clap it. The 6 mid to high-range speakers that send the sound in every direction. And it has a subwoofer that provides deep, rich bass as well, which detects your location and optimizes sound based on where you are in the room. Just say, "Hi, Bixby, sounds dear," and the music is directed right at you.
All your devices, whether you carry them in your pocket, wear them on your wrist, or install them in your home, should work together effortlessly to bring you one continuous experience.
And soon, Samsung Smart TV users will be able to link their Spotify and Samsung accounts through the SmartThings app.
We believe the future of connected devices and seamless experiences begins here and begins now. From the speakers for your home, to the watch on your wrist, to the music you listen to, and the phone that powers your life. Everything you've seen here today is a step forward into an open and connected world of experiences powerful enough to keep up with you. You inspire us to push through barriers and make the Note better every year. It's not easy every year, frankly speaking. So let me end by saying thank you. There is no one